Hello buddies, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to install the Java in our laptops and our desktops, and follow my instructions step by step to make sure that the installation process is safe and clean. Now let's head towards the process. So first thing what you need to do is open any search engine. You might take the Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. So I'm going the Microsoft Edge. And after going here, then just type Java download Oracle. Once you type this, just enter, and here you will be seeing the first site. Just enter one x64 installer, which takes 188.65 MB, and this is the link. So just click on it. The very moment you click on it, you can here see that in the download section the JDK is being installed. Let us wait for 10 seconds. And yes, we have completed the JDK installation. Here you will be getting open file, and then you have to click on this, or you may even go for a right click. When you right click it, here go for the open file. It will ask for a prompt. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Please press on yes. And once done, it will pop up just like this, the Windows installer, and then go for next. Again next. You might even, if you want to change, you can change. I'm keeping it the same way, just saying next, and it will start installing. And here we can see the status. This process is very simple and it takes very much less time installing Java. And make sure you install only from the website. I'll give you in the description box. You may directly click on it and install. Just close it and go for the file explorer, and then go to this PC, Windows, go to program files, and here you can see that there is Java. Now go for the JDK. Here you will see bin. Once you see all this, go to this, copy the path. You may cut it or copy it. And then now I'm going to the search bar here, and then just type environment envir, and once you press envir, here you will be seeing an option edit the system environment variables. Go to it, and here click on environment variables. Go to path in the system variables, not in the user variables. Go to this, and you can just paste this. Click on new and then paste it and say OK. Then again OK, again OK. Go to your search near start again and just press CMD. It will open your command prompt, and then enter. Now here you can see I'll give Java version. Once I've given Java version, it should appear like this. Now if you want to run a program, I'm just minimizing this. Go to the notepad. Now you may just copy this, and here you go to the file and save as. Once you do that, just paste it. Make sure you put a .java extension, because we are doing a Java program. You need to do demo.java, and make sure wherever you just save this file, you remember it. I'm going to save in the documents. Here I'll go down and I'll just say new. After that, I'm creating a folder Java programs, and I'm saving it here. Sorry, just click on it, then save. Now you may close this file, go to the file explorer again, go to where you have saved your program. I've saved in Java programs. Now here, click on this, just type cmd. This is a shortcut method where you can directly redirect where you have saved your program. I'm going to say java c demo.java, and it will show if there are any errors. I've made this so that you'll know how to check the errors too. Now I'll just solve the error and I'll go and run again. The error which I made is it only string, not strings. So you just remove whatever the error is and then say save. No need to press on save as. Now I'm again going here. Just click on the right arrow on the keyboard and it will directly come and go for this one. Now see, there is no error, and again click on the upper arrow and remove .java and also C, and now enter, and you can see it is 2 because it's 20 by 10 and you've got your answer. This is the very simple installation of Java from the Oracle. Thanks for watching.